Hello and welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm your host for the day, Hiba Samad. It's 2 p.m. on Friday, April 17th. If you're new to our show, welcome to COVID-19 Today, where we bring you live daily updates on how this global pandemic is impacting our city, our residents, and our businesses here in Torrance. I invite you to email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Tell us how you or someone you know is demonstrating how Torrance cares. The confirmed number of cases of the coronavirus in LA County comes to 11,391 and 495 confirmed deaths. Here in Torrance, that total number of confirmed cases comes to 181. Those who are signed up to receive the city's Torrance alerts will get a notification with the latest confirmed number of COVID-19 cases at 7 p.m. Thanks to increased testing capabilities, all residents of Los Angeles County can now get free same-day testing if experiencing symptoms of COVID-19. Symptoms include fever, cough, and difficulty breathing. There are 29 operational sites throughout the county that include drive-up and walk-up facilities. Appointments are still necessary. Now, to get tested today, you can call 211 if you don't have internet access, or you can go to covid19.lacounty.gov. When making the appointment online, you must answer a series of questions that will determine if you meet the requirements. And if you do, you'll receive an appointment confirmation number by email. You must then bring the confirmation number and photo ID to your appointment. People who don't have cars can still be tested as long as they have an appointment. Test results may take up to 3 to 4 days. Positive test results will be notified with a phone call. Negative results will be notified by email. Rapid COVID-19 testing is now available in Torrance. Providence Express Care launched the COVID-19 molecular testing site located at the former Babies R Us location off Delamo and Hawthorne Boulevard. The low-cost testing system called ID Now is manufactured by Abbott Laboratories that was recently authorized by the FDA for rapid testing. It produces positive COVID-19 results in as little as 5 minutes and negative results in under 15 minutes. Patients with an appointment can drive up and are given a self-swab nasal test, and registration must be made online. You can go to virtual.providence.org. Those can be made from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. A Torrance-based biotechnology company is taking part in a national study to determine how many adults in the United States have the antibodies to the COVID-19 virus. In this sero-survey, researchers will collect and analyze blood samples from as many as 10,000 volunteers to provide critical data for epidemiological models, while some participants will be able to have blood drawn at a participating clinic. Others will be able to do it from home thanks to a local company, Torrance, a medical device firm in Torrance, will supply at-home blood collection kits. The results could show to what extent the novel coronavirus has spread undetected in the United States. The CEO of Torrance is Fasha Mahjour, who founded Torrance-based Phenomenex in 1982, a global leader in chromatography. Phenomenex was sold in 2016. Another essential business in Torrance is doing what they can to support companies looking to test and treat patients with COVID-19. Oriental Motor USA, a Japanese-based motion company headquartered in Torrance with its distribution warehouses in the city, continues to operate to support medical, food, and packaging industries through their products. Now they're currently working on supplying motion control components for companies that are building critical tools for the test and treatment of patients diagnosed with COVID-19. They're also working with a few companies that are building ventilators. The city wants to remind the community that the Torrance Certified Farmers Market will be open tomorrow from 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. Shoppers and vendors will be required to wear face coverings to enter as new mandates took effect this week countywide. The farmers market is practicing new safety measures to ensure shoppers are social distancing. There are hand washing stations available as well as hand sanitizers throughout the market. Entry points and staggered entrances are also in place to ensure everyone who visits the farmers market is safe. The city is working on providing curbside service at the farmers market to seniors and those who have limited mobility. We'll be able to keep you posted once that service becomes available. The farmers market is located at 2200 Crenshaw Boulevard and takes place every Tuesday and Saturday, rain or shine. Places around Torrance are beginning to light up in blue and purple to show support of local first responders, healthcare workers, and the hospitality industry. Driving by Fire Station 1 along Crenshaw Boulevard, or the Marriott and First Interstate Bank on Hawthorne Boulevard, or even the Torrance Historical Society on Post Avenue, you'll find them lit up at night in either blue or purple. Blue is in support of all first responders, and purple in support of our hospitality industry. A local nonprofit is showing their support with what they do best. In this picture, President June Limbach Jones and First Vice President Melanie Drake of the South Bay Quilters Guild delivered this handmade quilt to Torrance Fire Station 1. The quilt will be given to the family of the Torrance fire engineer who made a plea this week in need of plasma blood donor to help battle COVID-19. It was a group effort by numerous members of the Guild as they worked together to assemble it. Throughout the year, they bring comfort to the community by donating their creations to many organizations. The South Bay Quilters Guild is a Torrance-based nonprofit. The City Council held a historic virtual meeting on Tuesday, transitioning for the first time from outgoing council members to incoming new members. Council members Milton Herring and Jeff Rizzo shared heartfelt farewells and messages of gratitude for the time served on the council, and newly elected council members Sharon Kalani, George Chen, and Mike Griffiths also shared messages of hope. All three members were sworn in by City Clerk Rebecca Poirier in the council chambers. You can catch replays of the entire meeting on our channel today, tomorrow, and Sunday at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. You can also watch the entire meeting on City Cable's YouTube channel. The council will meet again online on Tuesday night on April 21st. You can find the agenda posted online today at torranceca.gov. You can submit your comments to the new email address at councilmeeting.publiccomment@torranceca.gov. The Torrance Cares to Go program successfully completed its third week of delivering groceries and essential items to the city's seniors and at most risk individuals. To date, 1,013 packaged bags were delivered to those who should not be out shopping for themselves. This week, the Cares to Go program rolled out their Phase 2 plan of the program, offering subsidized grocery bags to low-income seniors in need. The program has also allowed nearly 30 city employees to purchase the low-cost bundle of groceries and essential goods. If you or someone you know is a local senior or who meets the criteria and could use this service, sign up online. Just go to cityoftorranceca.com/tc2go. If you've ever been to a function at the DoubleTree in Torrance or any of the DoubleTree hotels, you'll likely have had one of their signature delicious chocolate chip cookies. Well, for the first time ever, the hotel chain is sharing the full recipe. In June 2019, the hotel chain sent its cookies to space, where it was the first food to be baked in orbit on the International Space Station. Now you can bake them at home and feel like you're on a little vacation yourself. You can find the full recipe posted on the city's Facebook page. And don't forget, for all of your baking essentials, you can skip waiting in line at the market and head to the Torrance Bakery in downtown Torrance. There you'll find key ingredients like sugar, flour, chocolate chips, and much more. Now, as businesses and organizations begin to adapt to the many restrictions put in place due to the coronavirus pandemic, the Torrance Cultural Arts Foundation is also taking their annual competition to the internet. The annual South Bay's Got Talent competition will begin virtual auditions in the next week, and Toka wants you to know all about it. So here's how it works. Performers of all ages must submit a video performance, a routine, song, or number. They'll put all of the performances on the website so that people can vote for their favorite. The top 3 performers with the most votes will move on to a live performance and get one step closer to the grand prize. To help raise funds to keep Toca going and support young and up-and-coming artists, voters will be charged $1 per vote. The online submission must be completed by April 24th. You can find the form online at torrancearts.org/SBGT2020. Voting will begin on May 4th. And at the end of each program, we'd like to share your story of how you and your family, friends, and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis. Whether it's something fun to pass the time or something special you're doing in the community or something cool you saw, please tell us all about it. Today, we wanted to share video from Debbie Hayes, who helped bring joy to kids and families on Easter morning. Let's take a look at how the downtown Torrance community spent Sunday morning. Thanks for sharing, Debbie, and thanks for all that you do in the Torrance community. Your love for your city shines and all the things that you do for Torrance. We love seeing these great photos and videos that are being sent to us. Please keep them coming so that we can share your story of how Torrance cares. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov if you have questions or just want to share. And stay informed by signing up at torranceca.com/Torrance alerts and subscribe to the city's Facebook page. Well, that's our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 2 p.m. as Leslie Robbins joins us to bring you the latest COVID-19 updates. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.